Hey guys, we're doing the team draw now for break 2. Random is live at 6:51 PM Melbourne time. Participants are going 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and pardon me. Three times for the teams. 1, 2, and 3. Random is complete, and the teams are Sanson on Lakers, Benny Osmond Wizards, Jerome Hughes Pistons, Timothy Price Heat, Ryan Papp Pelicans, Nick Watson Jazz, Kenny Bromwich with Bucks, Darren Gibbs Hornets, Melissa Hickey Nuggets, Dale Celtics, Albie Clippers, Zach Cavs, Mizzy Bulls, Nathan a lot Pacers, Pat with Rockets, Albie Suns, Francis Nets, Zach Nichols Warriors, Don Smith Knicks, Kiwi Wolves, Albie Chin Sixers, Darren Gibbs Raptors, Sander Earl, Grizz, Weber Mavericks, Shane Borko Kings and Blazers, Colin with the Hawks, Kenny with the Spurs, Danny with the Thunder, and Zach with the Magic.